안녕하세요. 네리사예요. 저는 필리핀 사람이에요. 영어하고 한국어를 할 수 있어요. 저는 떡볶이를 안 먹어요. 하지만 된장찌개는 먹을 수 있어요. 그리고 저는 요리를 아주 좋아해요. 저는 일요일마다 집에서 요리를 해요. 한국 음식하고 필리핀 음식을 만들 수 있어요. 지금 저는 건설 회사에 다녀요. 컴퓨터를 아주 잘할 수 있어요. 하지만 자전거를 못해요. 그래서 다음 달 자전거를 배워요. 자전거를 힘들지만 재미있어요. Hey guys, 안녕하세요 여러분. Right now I'm here in the park. I'm doing exercise for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then try to practice some Korean phrases. I feel like we really need to practice speaking in order to learn. So we try to speak a little bit. Practice even slowly speaking Korean. It's okay guys. At least we try, we practice, we learn. Hopefully soon we can speak well like a pro. It's okay guys, practice and practice. Practice makes perfect, right? As you can see guys, I'm here in the park. I love exercise. I love doing exercise in the morning and in the afternoon. And fresh air. You see the environment guys? It's all green. I love it. Now I appreciate green colors. Feels so refreshing. And thank you guys for always watching my video and live stream, and also to those who watch my YouTube videos. Ayan, I hope you didn't touch the skip ads, because it helps me a lot. Thank you so much to all of you. And by the way guys, it's all free here. You can just go to the park and do like that. But I did it also when I was in Taiwan. I've been in Taiwan for 6 years and I'm doing that also. I go in the park after work. Every time I am free, I go to park, spend time in the park. Sometimes I bring food like that, drinks. I enjoy it. Even I'm alone, it's okay. I do many things when I'm alone. But it's okay also if you have friends. Tingnan nyo guys, ang mangyan ang saya-saya Ang saya-saya.